Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. I have 3 tips which will help you create better YouTube Shorts, TikToks, and even Instagram Reels in Final Cut Pro. Now, if you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe. But without further ado, let's get into it. The first tip is actually going to be if you have long form content already. Say you have a clip and you're like, hey, this clip, I just want to make it into a YouTube short or a TikTok. Well, you could simply just, edit on that clip entirely and whatnot, changing everything around. Or you can right click on here, hit duplicate project as, okay? And then what you're going to name it is, let's call this short here. And then we will change this to vertical and then hit smart conform, okay? Smart conform. Now we're gonna make it 1080p. That doesn't matter for now, I guess. But yeah, then we hit OK. And depending on how long your video is, it might take, a little tiny bit for, Final Cut Pro to do its magic. But you see, if we click on the new one, what it did is it automatically, not only did it make it into a vertical video for us, but it put a subject automatically into the new area. It actually found the focus of our subject and did it just fine. Now, between me and you, I'm a little surprised this worked as well as it did because of the fact that it's better with human subjects than it is like cartoon characters or video game characters or whatnot. But it worked out good, and that is very good. Now, however, let's say that you created a new project from the get-go and stuff. You don't want to go through all the trouble of having to duplicate it and all that stuff, right? But as you can see, when you do add a project and it's shot in 16:9, it doesn't go vertical easily. Well, that's where these options will come in handy. Sure, you could go through the whole trouble of playing around with the scale and whatnot, but I'm going to show you guys a different way, which is if you come down here to spectral conform, click on show or double tap. And then under type, click on fill. And then it will just fill the type for you right then and there. It will fill it appropriately just for the purpose of this thing. So you can actually, export it and whatnot. Now, the final tip has to do with view window. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to click on view here, okay? Then you want to click choose custom overlay and then add custom overlay. It will bring up a menu, navigate to your custom overlay. In this case, it's a YouTube Shorts custom overlay I have. I'll try to leave a link in the description below to this for you to download if you guys want. But as you can see, what it did here is it created an overlay for me of, the YouTube Shorts everything. So I'll be able to see exactly if my clip overlaps something or if it's perfectly fine the way it is and whatnot. And best of all, this is only an overlay. It will not appear on the final project whenever you export it. So you don't have to worry about, disabling the layer or whatnot. So yeah, that was 3 tips, and hopefully they helped you in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.